We're reviewing a light, RGB, 16 million colors, application driven, remote control, wall switch. We're going to show you how to set up what the light's about. UprizeP, 24 watt, 2400 lumens, 3000 through 6000 Kelvin, RGB, smartphone application driven. We're going to hang it up on the ceiling and show you the 16 million different colors. It's a single pack. Let's open it up. Check online for further details. The unit comes in white. We have an instruction guide with the manual that you can go over and how to hang and what the remote control is all about. Ran off of a wall switch, remote control, and more. Made of plastic, IP rated, could be hung up just about anywhere imaginable indoors. This is the remote control. Batteries are optional, 2 AAAs with hardware and wire nuts and screws. A white plastic bracket for hanging, twist off and hang up. A junction box with a light round circle is needed for hanging. Simply locate and hang. Once adjusted and on, hook up your leads, load and neutral. We have a loop and a hook system. Simply find, locate, and secure. With the load and neutral, lock down. Slip the leads through, on, rotate to lock into place. With 2 AAA batteries and a light switch thrown, the light comes on. Wall switch only, turn off, turn on. It changes from day to night with the color ring, off and on to a rotating ring, off and on back to the regular light, and cycling through to the different kelvins as we switch off and on each individual time. Switching back the switch to the on position, after so many seconds we are back to the normal. We have a red button, turns off and on the unit. As we turn off and on, it turns on the same color Kelvin. Underneath the red, it changes the Kelvin's warmth to the 3, 4, 5 different Kelvins. Right next to it, it flashes for the timer. The 5D joystick, pressing up, increases and decreases. And decreases of the kelvins. Hitting the center is a night light and increasing it with the up. We have an RGB button on the upper part, red, green, blue. The colors it goes through. Those are all the colors as we go through. 16 million different colors. To get back to the regular light, hit the upper left. The RGB rotation circles through all the colors. Then a clockwise circle gives a spinning color. And then we have a star RGB. Everything I just shown is remote only. The Tuya application. Follow the instructions and you're ready to load. The light must be in the off position at the start. Do a search by hitting the plus, add device. Smart LED. Just like that, we're hooked up. All different things we can do. We could change the Kelvin. Change the lighting by hitting the light button down below. The color grid by choosing the color, the combinations, and more. These are just some of the things you can do with the application. Everything's at your fingertip of setting up. So if you're looking for wall switch, remote control, smartphone application, an RGB sailing light for the kids' room, living room, game room, and more, you have many options of a light to hook up of your needs. 11 plus inches round, 2 lights, night light, and more. Enjoy your product if this light is right for you. Thank you for viewing.